Prepress. It is the process of preparing digital files for the printing press. The traditional workflow for producing printed products is shown below. Prepress, press and postpress. The prepress alone has a different workflows based on the type of the product, type of the industry and the availability of resources. The possible workflows of prepress department are as follows. Computer to press, where processing, proofing, ripping is done after the rip conversion. The plates are directly imaged in the press and printed. Computer to film. Here the images are scanned, processed electronically and positioned, then separated and screened. The file is then sent to rip processing followed by film processing, proofing, checking, plate making, development and finally printing. The yet another workflow of prepress department is computer to plate. This is one of the fastest process and utilized extensively. The stages are shown in the diagram. In early days, the prepress works are distributed, that is, each department will function separately and produce files from outside. The press agency will collect the material and will send it to printing house. Prepress works. Reproduction. Original copy. The original copy comprises the following elements: picture, text or type and graphic. These elements are created by means of scanners, digital cameras and application software. Scanning. By scanning strip by strip and step by step as well as through the color separation with the RGB filters, 3 bitmaps are generated for red, green and blue. With an appropriate software, RGB are converted into cyan, magenta and yellow, taking into account the necessary corrections. Black is generated by using a special color filter or by calculating it as the 4th bitmap. The precision of many scanners allows reconverting screen films into bitmaps. Imposition. The term imposition describes the arrangement of pages on a print sheet, taking into account the finishing steps in finishing like folding, collecting and binding technologies like adhesive binding, saddle stitching or thread stitching. The arrangement of the pages is always defined by the sequence of pages and the dimensions of the individual pages. Print sheet. The folding scheme determines the arrangement of the pages. The pages are brought into the desired sequence by folding. After trimming at 3 sides, the copy book can be opened. Data input is complete and ready for output. All elements, that is picture, type or text and graphic, are combined into one unit, that is one or more pages, one document on workstation. The documents are now ready for a digital specimen print for printing plate.